In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize for school with Notion, including a free template and widgets to enhance your setup. If you've been looking to streamline your school tasks and keep everything you need in one place, Notion is a fantastic tool for that. We'll walk through how to get this set up effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to head over to Notion's website. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and create an account. Otherwise, simply log in. Once you're logged in, look to the top of the screen and you'll see an arrow. Click on that. This will reveal a range of options within Notion's interface. One of these options is templates, which is where we'll find the foundational piece for our organization plan. Go ahead and click through to the templates section. Now, in the search bar, type Tom Organize School. You'll be provided with a variety of template options. For a broader view, click on See All to explore the full array of templates that match your search. These templates vary, so take a moment to find one that best suits your needs. When you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it to dive deeper into its features and structure. After selecting your template, you'll need to add it to your Notion account. You'll see an option to either add it to your personal space or to a workspace if you're collaborating with others. Choose whichever spot makes the most sense for your setup, and once it's added, click on See Template to open it up. Next, we'll enhance your Notion page using widgets. To do this, open a new tab and visit Indify. Indify provides free widgets that can be incorporated into your Notion pages for increased functionality and aesthetics. Once there, click on plus Create Widget, and then simply click plus. Here, you can customize your widget. Begin by typing in a title that reflects its intended use or aesthetic. When you're satisfied with the title, hit Continue. Now, customize your widgets according to your preference. Indify allows quite a bit of personalization, so make sure it fits with your overall organizational theme. After customizing, copy the link provided at the bottom of the Indify configuration page. Head back to your Notion template, and in any blank area, type Jamati's embed. This will prompt you with an option to embed. Click that, then paste the link you just copied from Indify into the provided field. Click on Embed Link to finalize the process. And there you have it. A Notion page beautifully organized to support all your school endeavors, complete with handy widgets to streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for organizing your schoolwork with Notion. Happy studying!